Rolling into Bond Head here, just after work. Figured I'd get over to the course, get a nice little twilight round in. It's a nice day, nice weather. Windy, windier than normal I'd say, but not bad. Just had to keep everything a bit low.
Alright, so we are making our way to the first. I don't know how the audio is on this, hopefully it's alright. We are playing the north course at Bond Head today. We're just heading through the town. Looks like there's nobody out here today. Beautiful. So north has its own little putting green here to warm up.
First hole's downhill to the left, par 4. I just teed off with a 2-iron. Kind of pushed it a bit, tight swing. Super tight swing here, barely put anything behind it, trying not to destroy my neck. Chipped it up, you know, same thing, just kind of tight, leaving it out a little right. Rushed this putt, to be honest. Careless bogey, but what can you do?
Alright. Bogey, but you know what, we didn't hit one good golf shot, so I didn't deserve it.
This is hole number 2. It's actually pretty tough, way uphill, par 4. Same thing, driving iron off the tee. Cleared it. Put a little bit more jam on this one.
Green.
Got it up. I thought it was on the green. It just rolled off to the left. Caught too much of this one. Left it up above the hole. Not great.
Deep.
Just sunk this one. Trust me, that was about to slide 3 feet past. That's a better swing. Teeing off on 3 there.
Right,
Same thing. Really good shot. But the wind was howling right to left. So just kind of, you know, landed right there on the green and then checked off.
58 going.
Fluffed this. Just a fluff. I'm bad. And total misread. Thought it was going to come down that slope. Just stayed true. Pretty brutal. Like that's a thing on Bond Head, man. It's so easy to make like small little errors that lead to bogeys. Like that fluff is just, you know, you leave it a bit short and you're just in trouble. You 2-putt it, but you know, still bogey.
Just a fluffy, non-committed chip. I'm right here in one shot, right? Tough par 3. I just fluff it to like kind of on top of the ridge to the point where I can't make my putt for par. It's just so ugly, man.
Such a beautiful night here on Bond Head. I love these nights. Put a really good swing on this one actually. Cleared the bunker. Allowed me to take a 4-iron and try to go for the green.
That's such a drive. That's such a drive.
Really good position on this hole actually. Caught this really nice as well. Caught it really nice. I just didn't have the distance to get there. You can see it just kind of float right in front, just short of the bunker luckily.
Short. Hopefully in front of the bunker. It may have gone in.
It didn't. Had to put some hands on this one. Use the touch a little bit. Fluff that one, light it soft.
Looks good.
Not a bad shot. I thought it was closer than it was.
Ah, it's not good. It's pretty short.
It's a birdie putt. I have a habit of like running my putts that I feel like I need to make like way past the hole rather than just putting a good stroke on it. So I'll take my tap in par, but I mean, should have birdied there honestly. It was a pretty good shot up on the green, but you know, just ran that by a bit. I was playing through a group here, so there's like a group down to my right and a group up in front that they were also like friends with. So they told us to play through both of them because they saw it was a single. So I pushed it over to the right, launched a 2-iron out of the rough. Actually ran way out, like right beside the green. You'll see in a sec. Yeah, so to right there, put a really good chip on it, to be honest. You know, like exactly what I wanted to do. Got it up to like the pin. And then again, I didn't pull the pin. I didn't really line it up, and I just kind of didn't put a great stroke on it. Kind of pulled it a bit, and that was it. So whatever. I'm running by these guys. So I'm passing these goons. They were nice, but they were playing with like a group of 6 that was like split into 2s.
Okay, that was a weird hole. Those guys let me play through. I rushed it. I got a bogey. Whatever.
This one I'm just gonna go for the green, and whatever happens, happens. Good drive, pulled a bit. with a fade. It landed just up short of that crazy set of bunkers.
Not really middle of the hole, not middle of the fairway.
It's a wild hole, as you can see. I kind of launched this one up into the, kind of stuffed that one up into the ridge, but got it up on the green. And this honestly was probably the best putt of the day for me. The pace is just really good. Easy cleanup par on a hard hole, so I'll take it. Very windy now. You're up kind of on the highest point of the 9. But a really good, tried to knock it down with an 8. And it was good. It just, the same thing, the wind caught it and it just kind of went to the left side there. Good chip up, you know, no complaints. Nice stroke in for par, to be honest. I was putting pretty good today. That day, I should say. Entering a tough stretch here, the par 5 down to the left. Hit a really good ball here. It just cleared the bunkers to the right-hand side there in the rough. Nice little stream we went over, you know. Get some nature in there. I luckily just cleared these bunkers up there. Had to rip a 4-iron, nice and low. Caught it pretty good. Ran it up in front of the green, actually. It was a good shot.
It's cutting it a bit close. But you know what? It's good. It's going to give me a nice little shot in.
Nice pitch up. I left it a little short. I couldn't really see where the pin was, right? A lot of blind shots up into the greens.
Could have traveled a little further.
Honestly, another good stroke. You can't really see where the hole is, but it just misses right there to the right. For par, about 4 feet. Little break, read it good. Good stroke.
Two putt. Can't complain.
So 9th hole here. Big error. I'm scared to push it out right and lose it because it's all downhill, and I kept it really short and left, so I had to lay up.
I had to. I can't go for that.
I'd say I was 190 out there still. Really good approach shot, to be honest. Just a little bit long.
Beautiful. Should have a good putt. Range is good enough. I hit it just to the back there.
You'll see what I'm talking about here. I run these putts way by when I think I need to make them. You know, like just the worst stroke of the day. And that was for 39. So luckily I cleaned it up for 40, and you know, I can be relatively satisfied with that round, but there's definitely a bunch of things I could have done better to shave those strokes, but it's a tough course.